Okay, stream's up. Things are working as expected. Okay, bitrate, everything's fine. Hey, Rahul, good morning, good morning. Morning. I went to a trip. I went to watch Niagara Falls this weekend on Saturday and Sunday. So due to that, basically no streams. But it was fun. Let me get my things back. I think I kind of forgot what I'm supposed to turn on. Few things. The commands is working fine. I think that setup is okay. That's what I'm supposed to do. So yeah, let's start with the Amazon thing, which almost was working fine, but there are some issues with my React code. So that's one thing I'm trying to fix things. Anyway, good morning, Rahul. Go fresh up. Oh, all the best for your exams. I'll be here anytime, so just go study for your exams. Important stuff. Is my RGB turned on? Ah, that's amazing. Fine. I do wanted to buy something which doesn't take this much. Yeah, it doesn't take this much resources. Let's see if I can buy something online today. Amazon.com. Lightweight wireless gaming. Do I have any? Oh, wireless gaming headphones. I don't really need a mic because I already have this one. Arun learn. Arun learn. Mama nu Nizambad Arun wa? Hey, ma నువ్వే అనుకున్నా నమస్తే నమస్తే ఏం మా ఏం పరిస్థితి ఏంటి సంగతులు అబ్బా మసోలా ఇది మరీ బండ అవుతున్నాయి అని చెప్పి ఏదైనా లైట్ వెయిట్ ఏమైనా ఉన్నాయేమో అని చూస్తున్నా వైర్లెస్ అని ఇది మరీ కాస్ట్లీ ఉన్నాయి అంటే ఈ మధ్య అన్ని ఎక్స్పెన్సివ్ అవుతున్నాయి 1.1 channel. Interest undi. If right time comes, yeah, sure. Timing, but so wireless with mic. Bluetooth may not be compatible for PS4 and PS5, both modes. వస్తా టైం అంతా కలిసి వస్తే వస్తా ఎనీవే గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ మా మమ్మీ వస్తుంది అక్టోబర్లో నీకేమైనా కావాలంటే వీ కెన్ ప్లాన్ అక్టోబర్ వరకు అందుకనే మళ్ళీ ఎక్సైట్మెంట్ అయిపోయి అమ్మ అన్ని రోజులు ఉంది అనుకుంటావేమో అని చెప్పి సర్లే ఇప్పటికే డబ్బులు ఖర్చు ఎక్కువైపోతుంది ఓకే అప్పుడు చెప్తా నీకేమైనా కావాలంటే చెప్పు కోడింగ్ front-end VS Code. What's your budget? It's more of a feature set, bro. So I'm thinking about this. Lightweight for sure. Plus, if it has a good mic, that's a plus, and wireless for sure. If it's possible, then 7.1 channel. I don't think that's possible for my budget. So this is what I am trying to split between. So I already have a good headphones for gaming. I'm fine with these while playing a game. So I'm not going to pick a new headphones for just gaming. So I would like to use this while streaming. So while streaming, I want to listen to your speak commands, some other stream alerts. For those, I don't really want this big of a headset. I'm fine with smaller in-earbuds as well, but I don't really find those comfortable like this. I already have a wireless earphones. I could have just used this, or maybe I should use this. Instead of using two, I can just use one. But the problem with this is I'm already connected to a Bluetooth keyboard. I don't think my PC has enough features to connect to multiple things. But yeah, I would really want it to try. Let's see. If this works fine, then I don't really need to buy something. Each pod would work fine for almost 2 hours. So that's enough. That didn't work, of course. So let me try reconnecting it. Does Windows support multiple? Oh, it seems connected. I guess that doesn't use Bluetooth. Your keyboard, it has its own adapter. Well, this is the thing. My keyboard, this is a really wonderful keyboard, bro. So I have 3 inputs. The adapter would be connected to my streaming PC because the streaming PC doesn't have Bluetooth. So I just replaced the main adapter which it comes from, comes with, will be used for my streaming PC. So with this button, I will be controlling. My keyboard is now connected to my streaming PC. The second one is Bluetooth 1. Show my face. So the second one is Bluetooth 1. This is what my streaming PC works with. We can see if I click present. And Bluetooth 2 is for my office, work machine. So I use the same keyboard. I can just switch instantly between these multiple things. So I really like this keyboard. I got it in an auction. So for like $2 or $3. It's a slim keyboard, really fun to type on it. Mechanical, by the way. Drawbacks are it doesn't really have a backlight LEDs. I don't really need them much. My initial idea was to stream while I'm sitting in dark, but obviously that's not the case, so I'm fine with this. For gaming, this is not really a good keyboard, but I do have a gaming keyboard, by the way, so no issues for that. Let me try using this. Let's see. Let's see if this works fine. Why? Which switch? I don't really know. These are these are brown switches. Super silent. Enough clickiness. Super silent. My other gaming one is blue. They sound a lot. But when the first time I'm buying that, I thought I would really love it. But the more I use it, I feel like I should have gone for the silent keys. After like 1 to 2 months, you feel like you want something silent, so that every time you click, you don't have to be conscious about other people in the room. So this seems connected. Let me try all my commands and etc. Let's see. I am using one of the earbuds now. So let's play some music. Oh, I don't think I'll be getting copyright issues, so I'll just use some of my own music. Streaming PC videos. I'll just watch one of my own videos. Guess that is not working. Okay, let me try using a VLC player instead. Where is VLC player? Right here. I'm not getting any sound. Is my PC getting any sound? It is getting sound. Oh, this is not the right one. This is the right one. So now this one, I'm not getting any sounds on my PC. There are no waves at all. The first one is my mic. That's not what we truly want. Let's see. I got some sound, but I was able to hear that sound. Let's see what's wrong with. Is it mute? Yes, it's muted. Yeah. This works fine.
మనమే పేరు పెట్టుకున్నాం అనే దాంతో సంబంధం లేదు. బ్లేజింగ్ బెయిన్.
This works fine. Let's see the microphone. I'm not sure if the microphone is working fine. Let's see. Instead of this, let's see this one. Hello, mic check. Check. Gotta go something. Yeah. All the best for your exam, by the way. No. Hello. Hello. Can you hear me? Mic check 1 2 3. Guess it doesn't have any mic. Where is the setting where we set the audio levels? Back to gaming. Back to gaming. What's the problem? More audio controls. Yeah, this is the old one. Hello, mic check. I say something's wrong. This one is not at all working. Fine. Hello. Hello. Guess this one doesn't have any mic setup. So the other option is I do have wired earphones, so we can basically use those for microphone. So yeah, these one are actually fine. I don't see a problem with these. I have to see how they turn out to be. Problem with these are really short. My PC is just right next to me, but these are really short. So I'll just leave them right over here. Not going to mess with those. Basically no option as of now. The microphone is not working. So let me try sending the same microphone back so that my stream can also be working as expected. Let's see. A Windows PC. But not working microphone. Okay, let's see if they fix something. Privacy, what? Okay. All these. So I have found a solution. I was running into the same issue. System sound, advanced, more sound. Okay. The solution is to disable multi-point. What the? Well, I have one solution. I can just use my webcam. No one is really using it anyway, so I'm just going to connect it and place it right next to my keyboard or somewhere else, so that it would pick up my mic, and that would be working fine. So yeah, as of now, let's forget about that and focus on the main part. Remove this place. That's done. What audio input am I having? Yeah, fine. Okay, let's start working with the main project. Open in a new window. On dev, that should be spinning it up. Next comes the backend server for Golang, that should be up, and then comes the Python, that should be up as well. So I'm not really doing any web scraping anymore. This is completely different approach. I think it was working fine before I kind of messed up something. I do have Cloudflare tunnel, so that should be fine. Yeah, the backend would work fine. No issues on that. Okay, let's give it a try. So we can ignore all these and go run main.go. Oh, the problem previously I was facing was, for some reason, my copy paste things were not working as expected. That is what I remember. I don't exactly know what happened after that, but let's see. The whole chat is taking almost the entire window. I'm going to keep it right here. This is fine. So I don't have to look all the way to the left in order to see the chat. It will be right here. So where is my Chromium? Right here. So yeah, this is the latest update. I go to Amazon.in, find some deals. I just open a random site. So yeah, I can open this, copy image, and I'll paste it here. And then I copy the price as well, something like this. Then paste it here. That's working. That's the latest update. After that, something went wrong. My expectations were something went wrong. Let me save it in the notepad. Affiliate link. Yep. Something. Let's add. So yeah, this was the problem. You can see the image is not loading inside the other page. I have no clue. There is absolutely no error apart from this. I expected the blob would work fine. Something is missing. If that's the case, I somehow need the image, so copy paste will be saved inside. Well, I'm storing everything in different properties, so they shouldn't be like feeling any confusion. You can see both of the files. What are these? Works for some reason sometimes, but it won't work most of the times. No clue why is it that happening. If anyone knows it, please let me know. Works now, but if the moment I refresh, send the image one more time. The problem is with timing, I guess. It won't just work fine if I did it, but slowly. I go back, I select a new one, let's say this one. I enter here and then just add. See, if I do things in a faster way, it works fine. But if I do it slowly, it's not working. That shouldn't be the case. Let's maintain this. Current deal equals to 1. Right, current deal equals to 1, and whenever I press add, something like that, it would work fine. Where is handle? There should be a function called handle paste. Yeah. I should have gone with something else other than React, I guess. What else? What else do I have? What options do I have apart from React? So after I press this, something happens, and then there's only one image per paste. Yeah, that's fine. Now items. A64 event as string. Okay. Let's see the difference. So if I paste it, let's get an image. Copy image. I paste it here. I got that. Fine. If I refresh, I go get a paste. And then I would do something else like randomly scroll this page or like select few of them. And then I paste it again. This is where the bug is. How does it have the second file but not the first one? Am I saving it in the wrong place? If it's of a product or price, do this. Okay, let's maybe change this. Probably my approach needs to be changed. Instead of modifying those multiple things, I should just maintain an array or something. Okay. Should be an array of deal state, and so this should be a single deal. Is that what I'm supposed to do? All right then, yeah, no problem. Yeah, let's have that installed then. Fine. So obviously I would need exact all these. I don't need these, but I would need add and start automation. Yeah, add. Let's take it in here and paste it here. So the deal state would have at least one deal, and let's imagine that as being something like this. 0. All right. There won't be any add buttons here, and there shouldn't be all these. Each one will have its own. Does it work fine that way? This is exactly what I have. I'm not supposed to do all these. Yeah, this is exactly what I have. So in the first place, the deal should be something like this. This is what I'm going to do. Instead of individual patterns, let's say, instead of individual options, it shouldn't be having this. Active paste. There won't be any active paste area or something like that. Deal state will have deal, and it will have preview product. Preview product area. Let's say any, and there should be preview price area. That should be any. Yeah, that should be fine. Product area and price area. There should be 2 of these. So product image, there is no longer need for this, and link, what is this? Yeah, there is no longer need for this. Active paste area, there is. Let's keep it as of now. Preview, there is no longer need for this. Affiliate link, no longer needed. Title, no longer needed. Events, what are these events? Yeah, we can still have them. So, no longer need of a category. We are not using those anyways. Let's have it. To paste area. active deal. All right, let's see. These are not really needed anymore. We can ignore all these as of now. Deal is slightly broken. All right, delete deal. I'm not really worried about this. I can just completely abandon the entire one. Figure automation not really needed. So let's see. Instead of this image product selections, if it is, where is the paste area? So this is the paste area. So for each one of them, there should be this. So something like this. There won't be any deal item anymore. It should be this. Right, and then there shouldn't be like individual stuff anymore. So it should be deal state. No, sorry, deal state. I'll deal with it later. Conflict set active for image, comma, deal ID. Do we have an ID for the deal state or ID? So this should also have the same deal state, comma, ID. All right, that's fine. Okay, and this should be used somewhere else. Active, and it'll state active passage area. Oh, yeah, that shouldn't be working fine now. Yeah, okay. So we have set active deal. Okay. Comma set deal. Let's have it in a function. That way it worked fine. Okay, we have this, and we can paste it right here. Did I paste it wrong? That should be working fine. Okay, yeah. So set active deal, which is dot ID. I have the IDs, and now state deal dot preview. What was the other one? Preview. Okay. State will have preview or something. What was this for a preview? What did I have it here? I bet. And then price SRC. Shall we save the file instead? Product file or null, price file or null. That's fine. There comes the deal, and we should just probably set it out there. There's no more active deal. We can have the events. So this is the entire pipeline, and inside that I am supposed to do it. Okay. So for initial phase, there should be this. ID equals to 1, preview product area null, profile null, SSC, yeah, null. There comes the deal. Oh, hey, thanks for the like. Sorry, I didn't turn on the face filters. Bye. Thanks for the like, guys. Whoever did it, thank you so much. Category electronic, yeah. Base, yeah. Okay, finally we have it in this way. Okay, base 64 and base 64. These needs to be basically populated. That's another story. So let's try it. Let's try it. There's no set active deal. Or else I can actually use it instead of this, like let current deal equals to 0, and this can actually be something like this. Deal equals to deal.id, deal state.id. That should be perfectly fine. I don't need a state for this. This would decrease the re-render issue which we are facing. So this can close. I don't need this. This can close. Yeah, so far, and yeah, this one should be set deals pipe, and it should be having almost this, and link should be this. Yeah. Oh. Object literal may only specify known properties. Link does not exist in deal state. Well, it should be existing in that one, not in this one. Or should we manage to have deal state instead of like deal state? We can have deal. Basically, both are the same. So let's just have it here. I need this. Product image. Base 64. Price image should be base 64. Right, seems good. So there is no need of a deal state anymore. Deals pipeline will have all the deals, all right, and then we shall see. Each state will have an ID. What? You can ignore the delete as of now. That's not my priority. Deal, okay. We don't have a current deal. Oh, that's an ID. I'm getting an error somewhere here. It should be ID. Where am I initiating a deal? Where is add deal? Am I setting something ID equal to? Oh, this is just a length. So this should be a string. It shouldn't be. So for the first deal, let's call it v4. Well, we do need the areas, so let's have it set up here. Any done? We can use the base 64 instead. We don't really need the SRC or anything specifics. What am I missing here? Product image base 64, okay. Price image base 64. Product image base 64, that's done. Price image, that's fine. I don't really need these two. We already have those. Let's see. Product image base 64. Okay, and price image. Price base 64. That's perfect. So now I have these things ready. What are these? So yeah, set deal pipe. So it will be a clone of this. Current deal will be ID, and I'm going to set, what is this, link? Do I have a link inside it? I do have. Why is it not working? Property doesn't have a state action deal. Strange. Okay. Set link. This will have something like this, link and deal pipe. It's going to get the link as well as current deal, and it should basically populate const deal of type deal equals to deal pipe of current deal, and that should be it. Why is it not working? Oh, it should basically have the entire array and then this one. Okay. So how can I replace it? Const deal pipe equals to deal pipe. All right, and temp deal pipe equals to deal pipe, and then it should have deal pipe dot current deal equals to this. That the deal pipe equals to deal pipe. Yeah, this should be it. Yep. So set link, this should be replaced by this. So it should have, what were the things it should have? It should have the link as well as, what is the one? Current deal ID. So where are we setting the current deal ID? We do need current deal ID. ID. What's the... No. Yeah, it should be, there shouldn't be a current deal set in this way. So we need to pass deal pipe deal state dot ID. Wonderful, baby. Set affiliate link the same way. On set affiliate link. Yeah, affiliate link string current deal. Yep. Deal pipe. What was the one which deal pipe? Yeah, this is the one. Oh, I think I'm writing in the function name in the wrong place. Okay. Let's move it up here. Okay, to have affiliate link this. Yeah. Perfect. Deal pipe dot it should have deal pipe current deal, and what is the other thing? Deal state ID. There is a thing called current deal state dot ID. Oh. Oh, that's a problem then. I don't really have an index. I think I need to maintain a map instead of this. But that shouldn't be possible. That is not possible. I need to find the ID. So first, I will be getting an ID and then return this. ID should be a string, and then we need to find it. Deal pipe map deal ID equals to return deal. So something like this. Get deal of deal state.id, and it should be having the to return me the deal. So this should return white. Why does it return white? Unreachable code. Strange. Very strange. That shouldn't return a void. It should be returning. Always return something. That's for sure. Dot link. Dot affiliate link. Deal state ID. That's fine. I think we have to change this now. Current deal. That shouldn't be working. Yeah. Get deal of current deal. Yeah, this should work fine. Set affiliate. So this one. Is there another definition for it? Looks like it. Okay, we should not be wasting our resources then. Would be this one. All right, people. So what else? There is title. We do this, take it and set it to title. That's fine. And then we have to do this. Set title. So almost the same thing. Just expand and set it to title. Get deal deals, and it should be title equals to, let's say, title, and it should be title. Yep, so far so good. Let's see. Oh, I'm getting an error. What is this? Deal item props. Am I using it anywhere? Deal item props. Well, not really using this. I'm getting an error over here, but no idea. Oh, trigger automation. Let's ignore it as of now. Yeah, ignore it, and that should be good. I'm getting an error somewhere here. Oh, yeah. Oh, this one. I made everything down. Let's just spin a basic website as fast as possible. Oh, I see a problem already. The link on change. I'm setting the link. I get the deal. Let's see, console.log deal. Okay, let's see if at least that works fine. I got the deal. Title is this is the link. Is it? No. Okay, I definitely got the deal, and then console log link. This should be working fine. I have no clue why is it not working. So let's see console log empty.pipe. Find deal or deal. Okay. So I have given X and the link, it's not changing. It's not changing at all. This is the link and this should have the new link. Why isn't it changing? Oh. Oh, that's the problem then. Okay, temp, how can I change it? Temp pipe dot for each. Yeah, this should be the perfect one. Console.log temp dot find. I think they should work fine now. Yep, it's working. So basically, I need to do this for almost all the things. Okay. I don't need this. Did I? So I don't need the deal itself. Then? Yeah, let's see the pipe. It will have pipe. We'll be having the pipe. It can be deals array. Yeah. This should be working fine. Then deal pipe. Let's bring it down here. Bring it down here, and it should be something like this. That's fine. And then we have the deal itself. Oh, no. Okay, I have the entire deal now. So I have set affiliate, set title. It should be deal pipe. Okay, we have the deal pipes. I have the link. What am I missing? Oh, where is title? Is title fixed? Oh, set link. Where is set link? Yeah, set link needs to be fixed. So set links will be above and now I have the entire deal. So what I'm supposed to do is this. Let's bring it down here. Oh. Did I misplace something? Okay, set link is working. Now let's replace that to set affiliate link. Basically the same thing. And then comes this. It should be having title, affiliate link. So far so good. See, X, Z. Okay, that's working fine. So now I can remove all these. Remove these. I will remove these. I'll remove these. Good. So now I have that section. So what I'm going to do is when I press add, there should be a new one, a dummy object like this. Fonts dummy deal. So I have the dummy deal now, so that is being loaded from the state. Now the important information is where should we host the image? So let's work with the image now. So yeah, we have it here. This deal state dot product base 64 string on null. Let's say that this shouldn't be a null, something like that. No. So now on active change, I'll be passing the current deal as well. Yeah. Deal.id. Yeah, that's fine. Subject to be. Oh, it won't be. So it should be something like this. It should have like a from this and ID. Yeah, that's fine. Set deal. It should be inside an object. Wonderful. Nothing feels wrong. Object letter may not be specified unknown properties of product. I mean, I have assigned it here. It should be from, not product. Yeah, okay. From needs to be product and ID needs to be this. Perfectly fine. I can ignore this for now. So, and there should be another error somewhere up. Okay. If active paste area from active paste area is possibly null. Okay. If active paste area, if active paste target, then do this. We have the set function, so that should be working fine. And then we need to do something here. Oh yeah, we need to get the deal. Okay. Deal const deal equals to get deal. That is the active area product. If deal dot price base 64 equals to base 64, then we need to basically combine those. Const temp pipe equals to, it should be an array of deals. That should be deal, and then index of deal. How can I find that? Yeah, temp pipe dot for each tin. Yeah, we can actually do that return statement properly so that it would yeah, this continue can save up some time. See, I have the paste information. So yeah, it would return the state and set deal pipeline equals to temp pipeline. I don't think that's the right one. Am I doing that in this way? Yeah, let's just do this. ChatGPT, what's the problem here? Problem and continue. It says something like this. Continue is a control statement that is only valid inside for in or for of, but not in for each callback function. That's why you're getting it. What? Should I use a map instead of? Okay. So make a copy of these above and here, and instead of title needs to be affiliate link. Title, affiliate and comma, affiliate link, that's fine. Then change it here as well. It should be link. Like, okay, perfectly fine now. Okay, now let's basically do the same for here. I have a let temp.map d equals to this if. Okay, that seems fine. Have the same thing here. Yeah, let it's to here. Price and product. That's it. I don't really need this section now. Okay, if it's of a product instead of price, it needs to be product base 64. Product base 64. See. So far, so good. So far, so good. Okay, now the preview is working as expected. Let's make another one. Clone, and it should be having alt price preview. Price see. Cool. So this needs to be having price, price 64, price 64. Obviously, it didn't have anything special as of now, so it will have this. Oh, I have forgot to change this price. All right. See, so far so good. Okay, when I press add, what will happen? When I press add deal, see. Oh, you know what? Let's ignore all these and okay. Should I have temp pipe, which is of a list of deals? It will be having a deal and temp pipe. Set deal pipeline equals to deal comma dummy. This should be it. This should be it. Perfect. Now let's create. Where is this? This row. All right. Oh, this is about. This is for one image. It's entirely inside root then. Class name, it should be deal container and div class name equals to app container. Where can I have styles? Where to write the styles for this? And yeah. CSS style.css. Okay, and we have to import the style.css. Import assets. No assets. Has been added, and then it should be app container, display fix, and it should be row. All right, and then deal container, display fix, column gap. Okay. So far, so good. Padding 10 pixels, gap can be, let's say 10. It's fine. Border radius 10 pixels. That's fine. Border equals to 1 pixel. Solid. Yeah, it's fine. This is almost perfect. Okay. Instead of this, we can have, as of now, we can have add. So let's write the delete logic. So just like add, we have delete. Delete, and it will be having deals state.id as what is the icon for trash? Trash can delete. Okay, and delete. Let's write the delete logic. Cons delete deal id. Okay. Put that over there. Perfect. That's how it should be. Delete. That deleted almost everything, I guess. Strange. Very strange. Hey, AK2 fast job unda bro, undi bro. Daytime lo undi. Anyway, welcome to the stream. Hey, thanks for subscribe. Did you subscribe? Subscribe చేసావా బ్రో? హెడ్ ఫోన్స్ పెట్టుకుంటా, నాకు అది వినబడట్లేదు. 1 second. AK2 ఫాస్ట్ తెలుగే బ్రో. నేను నీకు ఎట్లా తెలుసు బ్రో డైరెక్ట్ తెలుగు అని? నేను షో మై ఫేస్. ఎనీవే, నువ్వు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసి ఉంటావు కాబట్టి థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ సబ్స్క్రైబింగ్. తీసేద్దాం, ఇది కాదు, సారీ. పోయిందా ఆల్రెడీ? ఓకే, పోయినట్టు. థ్యాంక్స్. బ్యాక్ టు గేమింగ్. అంటే నా ఛానల్లో కొత్తగా వచ్చినట్టున్నావు. రేలంగి మామ అనేది నా బాట్. అండ్ ఇంకా చాలా ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ రాశాను నేను. దాంతో మీరు ఒకవేళ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంటే ఎక్స్ప్లోర్ చేయొచ్చు. నేను ఒక వాక్ త్రూ ఇవ్వగలుగుతాను. కొందరికి నచ్చుతుంది, కొందరికి నచ్చదు. అందుకని నేనేం చెప్పట్లేదు. సో థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ సబ్స్క్రైబింగ్. జస్ట్ ఇంకో హాబీ ప్రాజెక్ట్ రీసెంట్గానే స్టార్ట్ చేసిన. చిన్న ఇష్యూ ఉంది, సో బేసిక్గా రీరైట్ చేస్తున్నాను అనమాట. బట్ ప్రాబ్లం ఏంటంటే ఇప్పుడు షీట్ చైల్డ్ అందుకనే డిలీట్ అయిపోయిందా? ఓకే, నో ప్రాబ్లం. He is going to be deal state ID. What? ఎందుకు రెండుకి సేమ్ ఐడి ఎలా ఉంటుందిరా? అదేంటి రెండుకి సేమ్ ఐడి ఉంది? ప్రాబబ్లీ ముందే డిఫైన్ అయిపోయి ఉంటుంది. సో డీల్ ప్రాపర్టీ అట్లే ఉంచేసి కొత్త తయారు చేద్దాం ఒకటి. It should be working fine. And then set deal లో కూడా ఇక్కడ థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ డమ్మీ డీల్ తో పాటు అలాగే ఐడి కూడా జనరేట్ చేద్దాం. షుడ్ బి ఫైన్. యాడ్ యప్ పర్ఫెక్ట్. ఓకే డీల్ పనిచేస్తాం. ఓకే ఇది మొత్తం పోయిందా? అందుకని యాడ్ని ఇక్కడ ఉంచే బదులు బయట ఉంచుతాం. ఇది యాప్ కంటైనర్స్లో అన్ని కంటైనర్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఓకే ఇక్కడ యాడ్ దట్స్ ఫైన్. ర్యాప్ పెట్టచ్చులే. ర్యాప్ content center. సో ఫార్ సో గుడ్. సరిపోద్దులే ఇంత ప్రజెంట్కి. ఇప్పుడు మెయిన్ టాస్క్ ఇప్పుడు చూద్దాం. ఇమేజ్ యాడ్ ఇది ప్రొడక్ట్ ఇమేజ్. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రైస్ ఇమేజ్ కూడా చూద్దాం. ప్రైస్ ఏదింది ఇక్కడ ఉందా? ఓకే ప్రైస్ ఇమేజ్ పని చేసింది ఎలాగో కొంచెం మంచిది చూద్దాం. I sense a problem. ఓకే ఇప్పుడు పనిచేస్తుంది. సో కరెక్ట్ ఆ టెక్స్ట్లో కొట్టాలి. అయితే ఇప్పుడు లింక్ చూద్దాం. దిస్ ఇస్ ది లింక్. जगदीप सिंह वेलकम ब्रो, वेलकम. बहुत दिन हो गए भाई. मैंने नायगरा फॉल्स देखा है. जानते हो नायगरा फॉल्स? मैंने नायगरा फॉल्स गया था वीकेंड में. बड़ा मजा आया. जानते हो बड़ा मजा आया. Yeah, it was fun. So, spent my weekend. रात में 2 बजे आए थे वापस. सो गए. सुबह थोड़ा लेट लॉगिन हो गए. बस ठीक है. अभी तक तो सब ठीक है. ठीक चल रहा है. Now I have this. So let me try to add a new one. टी सब जगदीप क्या चल रहा है ब्रो? You 7% on these. Why do I have these instead? This should be completely different. पता नहीं ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है. When I say add a new one, the dummy will have an empty object, but for some reason it is carry forwarding the previous data which I have given. So you can see it here. Maybe the ID is what it's failing for. Get ID. What's up, Jagdeep? Any exciting news from your side? No. So if I change it here, does it affect? Oh yeah, something is missing. Okay. So just got a message. Let's see. Yeah, my friends are asking for PUBG. Bro, you're close to 1,000 points, man. I have to do something. So Jagdeep, I'm getting a bug. Let's fix this. So this is not getting the latest ID which I'm generating. So we can see this is what I'm changing. So let's see. I think this is the culprit. That's the reason it's setting the 0. Okay. Console.log. What is it? 5? No, not 5 ID. 5 and console.log. Let's see. Delete. I added a new one. Let's add a new one. Does it render these many times? So we can see the ID is this, but the ID should be something else. They both have different IDs. They both really have a different ID. Then why is it not working? I create a promise, bro. It should definitely have it. This isn't right approach. Console log deal pipe 0. So let's say this probably null. Okay, and when it's null, get deal. It should be void. It cannot be void. It should be either deal or null. Here we have to see if it's null and then proceed forward. Does it not work this way? This should work fine. Probably this should work fine. Oh, no. Okay, so delete, add a new one. What is the ID for this? Let's print the IDs. I think that would fix a lot of issues. Here we have P. Let's open a P tag. ID equals to deal.id. So now we have this. This is a new ID. This is a brand new ID. And what is the problem? Why things are not working as expected? So let's have two images here that didn't work as expected. It's not working. What's the problem? So am I getting errors? Oh yeah. Possibly null. Why? Uh, when I click, do you guys see this? 217. What is 217? Oh yeah, okay. Whereas I'm calling this in a lot of places, so that would trigger many changes. That should be here. Okay. See set activity. Handle paste. Okay, this is the function which I'm supposed to run. Print console.log deal console.log ID. Paste target ID. Yeah, let's see. I am pasting my event here. It just cannot set the property of null, setting product base. So probably it didn't get the ID which I'm trying to look for. So we can see it's purely null. I have no clue why would that be null. This is returning as null. So in a given deal pipe, so log deal pipe. In a given deal pipe, should be we have the pipe here, and the ID is this. Then why wouldn't it try to find it? Oh, is it? Am I comparing it in a wrong way? Deal. Yeah, let's not compare with this. Cannot set property of undefined null. So this is the idea I have. Why is it returning null? Oh, yeah. Probably this can fix it now. Return the found deal. What do I have to do? Find? Okay. You know, if that works, then that works. No shame at all. Well, this is working fine. Okay, so far so good. So far so good. Give me a give me all for loop, map, finds, etc. And what is the difference? What did I do wrong? But that is expected, yeah. So you cannot return from the outer function or break. Yeah, that's true. Array for each, pipe for each. Yeah, that's fine in map. Yeah, I thought map would be working fine. It's for searching and easy, not for searching or easy return. Okay, fine for search. Okay, it's that's the case, then that's the case. Worked info. Now what I'm going to do is I will just pick this image, copy image, I paste it here. Then I'll get the pipe as well. Close this, damn it. And I'll paste it here. That's fine. I'll get the link. I will do this. So now let's try submit. Where is the damn trigger? Let's remove it and add it next to the add. Comment it and let's see trigger automation. Do I have the logic for it? Yeah. So let's fix this function. I'm happy that I would work with this. It's working extremely fine. It should be deal state is a type of deal. So we should not be having deal inside deal anymore. So deal state or deal will be replaced by just deal state. Yeah, so far so good. So far so good. I'm expecting some errors at least. Error sending request. Yeah, error sending request. Perfect. Wonderful. Wonderful. Why wonderful. Oh, this is the problem now. So each automation, I cannot determine multiple automations. For that's the case, then I might need to return something. Trigger automation. Yeah, I think for now let's work with an individual stuff for once. Let's see. What's the problem here? So yeah, this is not really needed anymore. I need to do this. Get those errors anyways. That's fine. Is it directly creating a reel? Do I not have to create an image out of it? Like a post? without a post, how would it create an image? All it needs is this post images. Yeah, I would need to create deals first. In deal, print each ID, create post something. Browser, no. Post py. Create Instagram post. Yeah, this is what I need. Post, and it will have each. Let's import this. Sorry, but yeah, bro, no problem, bro. From post, import, create a post. Yeah, let's see what is the output path. Okay. No problem, man. No problem. It's fine. I don't expect you guys to stay with me all the time, so it's perfectly fine. Print. Oh, I saw a debugger yesterday in GitHub. Go dump. No, Python dump. What was it? Go dump. Yeah, this is the one I saw. This is actually a good tool we can actually use for printing, but Python better dump. GitHub. Let's see if there is any easily partial and sorted now. Print. I'm getting a message. Okay, so let's continue. And I'm not interested in printing statements as of now. So Flask run. Is it turned on? I guess it's so. Okay, let's start the automation one more time. Start automation. Let's see. Why am I getting these many? Deals done? Okay. No such file. Okay. Base 64 of base 64 data is from price image. So what the shit I'm sending from here? Deals. Headers. Let's go with the preview payload. Where is the payload? I don't have payload. Yeah, I have payload. Price image and product image. That's what I'm sending. Perfectly fine. So it should be having price image and product image. So deals.get price image is not none, and then if it is none, there should be an error for sure. If deal.get is none and is none, print return status error, no price, or yeah, that's perfectly fine as expected. See, let's just run. I'm triggering an automation one more time. Automation. Why I'm getting 6? Shouldn't be that many. Creating Instagram post. Is this the new one I created? Yeah. So these are all the links I have. And what is this? Price image? Am I printing price image in here? Output. Oh, my bad, dude. My real bad. So let's. Why am I giving double quotes? I think I faced an issue before. Maybe that's the reason. CLS. Flask run. Let's see. Trigger one more time. Start automation. No, it's not working. Execution on fetch deeds. Flask. No file as such found. No such file. Output. Put post image. So that means what is this error caused by? Oh, why was the wheel working fine? Instagram post. Creating Instagram post. Yeah, this should be the first one. Did it work fine? Or did it fail? Try this one and catch, not catch, accept exception. Yeah, print E while creating a post. So it's here, and then we can use traceback. Import traceback. Oh, it's almost 12. Traceback.print execution error. Let's see. Less flask flask run. Oh no, I shouldn't have done this round off. Okay, this should be here. No, oh no, 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 no. What am I doing? Okay, yeah, right here. That's flask run. Okay, the development server is running. Let's see. Automation. For reason, we can see two events. I only pressed once, but I don't know why it has two events. I'm going to ignore that and make a refresh. So let's create a new one as of now temporarily. We open this image, copy image. Where's the damn price image? Price image has been ready. Ting, ting, ting. Start automation. Something is wrong. Something is wrong. Something is wrong. This is the base image files. Okay. So creating image post, and it should be price.image. Does it have it? I have the price image and I have the post image. Wonderful, 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 wonderful. Something is wrong with the post. No such file, no such file, no such file. That's for Instagram post. Let's see if the price is created or not. So post, I would definitely need creating an image and that's the problem. Am I setting the paths for both of these? Looks like I'm setting the path for price image and health image, and then comes this. Let's see. Creating an Instagram post. Yeah, we can see I'm not really passing the entire type object. Deals should have these. Yeah, it doesn't have this part. Save path. So Teams doesn't have that image path. Really strange. Really strange. So product image, price image, and product image. If it's output deal, and there is an ID. So until here we have the files, and then this is what I'm supposed to do: temp deal. If not, check ID exists. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Check ID doesn't exist. Oh. Probably that might be the reason. So let's delete all these as of now. To recycle bin, move to recycle bin. Let's see. Let's trigger one last time. Let's see. No such file. Okay. Really strange. I'm not seeing the path being stored here. So printing deals, that's the first print, and for each ID, and let's see, let's print the entire deal. If it doesn't have it, then something's wrong with the each. So first, creating deal, check if product dot is not found, not found, raise exception, file not found. I don't need return statements if I'm raising the errors anyway. Okay, so far so good. So far so good. Start automating. There is absolutely no error. We can see the ID, and I'm printing the deal again. We don't see image paths at all. So there is a problem with this. So print deals. What happening is, so deals is this here. I'm not getting any message at all. Where do I have the print statement for these? I think I have to remove all these. So am I printing something? Data? I don't need. I think data was a bad move. Okay. Get price image is none. Oh, it shouldn't be deal. I don't have anything. Every deal, temporal data. Okay. Is it actually running inside this? I see the problem now. So this is not at all being executed. It's not none. If it's none, then that should be it. Temp deal. What is this deal and what is this deal? So for each, I don't know, I'm not understand. So let's see print deal. Okay. Figuring automation. Let's see. Let's expand this. So this is the deal. I have the entire information here. So yeah, let's just populate it, man. It's fine. Correct. It's none. So deal equals to this, and no, it should be working fine. Should definitely be working. Print page image found, saving the image. Start run, figure animation, figure automation. Okay, that's price image. We can see we are not seeing that error message at all. We so basically it's not none. Deal.get is not none. I don't understand anything. It's okay, price image found, saving the image. That means this has been executed and this has been passed. Deal. So deals is what? That's the deals. Why isn't being updated as well? Oh, price image. I don't understand this. Okay, final run. It's almost, well, let's see. So this is the saving image. So that means the image has been saved here. We can see the image has been perfectly saved. That is what I'm expecting. It was solid. And after that, price image has been found. And this doesn't have it for some reason. Let's ask ChatGPT now. I see print statements state that image has been found. What was it? There is no property as in this deal object for product image and product image and price image, which I am setting for temp deal. Let's see if it understands something. In your clarity. So when you set these, Python allows dynamic attributes assigned at runtime, but those attributes won't show up when printing the objects unless they are defined in init or okay. Solution. I do have it. But sir, I do have them, sir. I do have them. Even though you have your defined problem, there are class variables, not data class fields. That means they won't be a part of init. They won't show up in print or read or as it is. So they are shared across all instances unless explicitly overridden. Oh, this seems stupid. What happened? I don't really understand the problem which is here. What was the problem? You declare like this. This means them. This made them class variables, not instance feeds in a data class. What does that mean? Class variables shared across all instances, not included in. Okay. Not visible in it was a part. It was not a part of 2 days, which is okay. Wow. Oof. So in this example, link what are class what are in this example link, title, etc. are not the variables of the object. Yes, this example are an instance variable that is object level because included in. Okay, so here is the difference. Title included, no. Optional, no. Type required, no. Included in constructor, yes. Huh? Should be a class variable. I think I should have used Python's basic default classes instead of data classes. That would be easier. C close start automation. Still failing, but we'll see. Well, obviously now I see the path, so that means something is working fine. I learned something today, which is this. So there is a difference between these and these. So that means that I have to mention something and field. Instead, those will be becoming a class instead of instance variables. Interesting. So I have the objects path, whatever this is, error in the exception. Just close this. Okay, 12.5. This is the final run. I want to see if it works fine or not. I don't see the output. Is this the final image? Yeah, this is the one. But there is a problem. It should have been created in this path, not in the other one. So let's fix that. So Instagram create post, so it should be output path. Oh, this is the problem. Yeah, okay. The output path should be followed in this way. Wonderful, 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 wonderful. String on none type. If what first let's check this. If deal dot product price image is none, then print file not found. I have to check these. It should so product image price image equals to what is this deal dot price image, and product image equals to this. So this is a variable string and this is a string price image. Let's Now the error is gone, I guess. Oh, now I think it would work fine. Let's see. So because of I had it check here, now it's smart enough to know that, right, this is working fine. Okay. Last run. Let's figure out the automation. Yep, finally it's working fine now. Let's create deals. Examples. So start automation. Now my bad. Did I create these many automations till now? Okay. Index out of range. Oh yeah, my bad. Okay, let's give one last option for this. Copy image. I have the image, and then take the price for this. So this is the link. This is the affiliate link. I don't know if I get it. This is the title. Where is the title? Okay, and we just start automation. Yeah, so far it's working fine. Verify, building, let's see. Why did it have, okay, it's creating a new one in the reel, so that's fine. So the entire pipeline needs to have an ID instead of one. So far so good. So far so good. So this pipeline needs to have something. So the D, let's say this is one. Should be something of an ID for this pipeline, so that I can also create new pipelines again. But as of now, let's imagine as this is as one pipeline. All right, so far I was able to work with these. So let's say let's add a new one. So let's take the link as this. Copy image, product image. Let's take the file for now. This price image, and then affiliate link. There comes the title. Okay, now let's start the automation. 1, 2, 3, go. It takes this long to process some things, so that's expected. Do not worry. Okay, so this is working fine. Yeah, I think this is working fine. Tomorrow I can just make a layout out of this, and it should be. Let's skip something. Why is it of 9 seconds? Reels are being generated successfully, so far so good. All I'm supposed to do now is save these information in database, and then just keep pulling. I might need to work with the React section first in order to make them work fine as expected. Okay, people who are watching, thank you so much. I guess I got one new subscriber, aka too fast. I did make some progress today, but so far that's fine progress. We'll meet you again tomorrow. Until then, peace.